For David Brown, he was preparing yesterday to leave with his wife and 2 young children since only one road out of the mountainous area he lives in wasn't impacted by the fires. But as they got ready,
all of a sudden, a new fire opened up to our south, right where that road was, which was the only way out.
he decided they needed to go now.
You packed up the car, put the kids in, and I put a fire extinguisher from the kitchen in the car.
They would encounter gridlock, so decided to take a road which was closer to the flames and luckily made it to a hotel.
I'm thankful that we're safe and we've got what we need.
He says a couple days ago they couldn't have imagined they'd be in this situation.
You don't know when you have these dinners around the table. You don't know when one day all of a sudden there's no guarantee of being back at that dinner table again.
Mike Murillo, WTOP News.